Alright, back by popular demand, the Electrek. We haven't seen this car on the channel in like almost 2 years, I think, but I'm actually getting it ready. We're gonna take it out on the trailer down to a fiberglass specialist company, and they're gonna refinish all the fiberglass on the body so that it's just like new. And then we're also gonna have it painted so that we can have basically a new looking Electrek. After that's done, we're gonna do the interior. We'll have the interior all new upholstery in there, and it's gonna be awesome. So I just wanted to show you a little tour of the Electrek as it is right now. You remember, we got the suspension and the wheels and tires all updated. You can see there's brand new brakes in there. We have that brand new GE General Electric motor under the hood. We restore the transmission. All the motor mounts are new, polyurethane motor mounts. Mechanically, this car's in really good shape. It's just cosmetically, it doesn't look so good. So there's a few spots like this which we'll need to fix. You can see all the cracks just all over the entire surface. And these are decals, so we're gonna have to have reproduction decals. I'm hoping that Declan can help us with that. You remember Declan of uniquemobility.org. And obviously there's no windshield in it. I'm leaving the windshield until we do the interior because I want to recover the dashboard and just have access to the interior. There's not a lot of damage, but like there's scratches here and here. It's faded, the decals are fading. There's a little bit of damage on the front bumper. And this is cracked here. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna load it up on the trailer and get it down to the fiberglass specialists where they can really show this car the love that it deserves, and we can get it back on the road. So the original mirrors were here, but the previous owner put mirrors out here and he just screwed them into the fender. So I'm gonna have that repaired so it's flush like factory, and just go back to the mirrors and the doors. Even though he said they don't work very good, I think that it'd be best to keep it as it was originally. Otherwise, it's just the same old Electrek that we know and love. And the interior definitely needs the work done as well. But I think this is the first step to get the body work done and repair of this totally unique fiberglass body. So let's go ahead, let's get it loaded up on the trailer. I took the Electrek down to the fiberglass specialist company, CF Meyer, and they're way down in Lamar, Colorado, which is almost 4 hours away from me. I just got back from the trip. Just received an email from them that they're already started work on it, which is kind of crazy. So let's go through some of these photos so we can see what they're doing. So this is the guys, they're working on the bumpers in the door, the driver's door, and they're just going to town, man. They've already got a bunch of filler on there, they're sanding, and it looks like they're doing a little bit of repair. Oh yeah, they repaired the crack in the bumper there, it looks like. Yeah, big time. It was cracked all underneath the lip. I didn't realize that before. Okay, these are the holes that were drilled in to mount those aftermarket side view mirrors, and it looks like they're filling them. They got the door stripped off. They're working on the body. The repair looks pretty good on there. Yeah, really smooth and it like, yeah, these guys are experts. There's the whole front end. Look at all the sanding and the filler they've used to make it perfectly smooth. There's that crack, what it looked like before. There's the front end again. Okay, they're bracing the fiberglass so they can patch it. Very cool. So super happy to have it in the hands of some experts, because they've done just in one day what I probably couldn't even get done in a whole month. So that's the thing about fiberglass. You got to know your limits, and fiberglass was my limit. I was going to do all the mechanical stuff, but when it comes to that bodywork, I'm glad I've got some professionals. So thanks again for watching another episode. We'll keep following along any updates that they send us. And once we get this thing back, it is going to look like new. I'm so excited to see what these guys pull off. Thanks for watching.